So Harvey and I are going to clean this laundry room floor. It's been mopped lightly since we lived here, but in 15 years it's never really had a deep cleaning. So we just finished vacuuming it. We used this central vac, and I did all the edges and got as much stuff up as I can. And then we're going to put the chemicals in for the Hoover Floormate. This is the Hoover Floormate here. Harvey's going to get the cord ready for me, and I already took the chemical container off. And I have it over there. I'm going to put the chemicals in, and then we'll see how clean I can get this floor. The chemicals are up here. Floormate, light green. So I'm just going to put one of those in here. Fill it with water. Cold water, I guess. Time to wait for it to get hot. It takes like 10 minutes for the hot water to get down here. There's a fill line.
Now all done.
Okay, thanks, Harvey. Harvey says the cord's all unraveled. So let's go ahead and put this on. Harvey, do you know how to put this one on? So let me try and do it with one hand. Help me push it in. Don't push hard. I can't do this with one hand. Now push it till it clicks, and then we have to plug it in, okay?
Yeah.
Does it click? There we go. Okay, let's plug it in.
No.
Oh, you gonna hide? Okay. Okay, hide. I'll tell Vivian I'm gonna turn it on so she can hide too. There goes Harvey. Harvey's gonna hide. Harvey likes to hide in the pantry when the noisy machines come out. Let's see how this tripod works. I can get it on the floor. The camera falling on the floor too. You kind of see there's some stains. There's some like laundry soap stain and some other stuff. Let's see if that comes up. I'm curious to see how dirty the water is going to be. Hold the trigger down until it gets really wet. I'll put it on wash. That'll help. There we go. Now the rest of it's spinning. check out the dirty water, Harv?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what we have here.
Yeah.
Yep, it's dirty.
Get some stuff now.
Oops. There it is.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
look at that. Icky water. Let's take a look. Oops. Don't want to do that.
No, not that until the.
Yeah, that's a filter, right? So that's kind of dirty too. Actually, I've been using this machine quite a bit. There it is, the dirty water. Let's see what we got here. Ew, dirty laundry room floor and lots of dirt at the end. Even though I vacuumed pretty well. Maybe that was in there before.
More water.
Or should we do the rest of the floor?
No.
Should we do the other parts of the floor that we missed?
Mom, the Howard. That.
I don't know.
That water down.
That's right. Yep, that's where the water goes. All right.
That's the water down.
See you later, Harv. In there, right. Bye. Bye.
Bye.